Okay, problem 30 says differentiate, so we need to find the derivative. Now, if you look at this, you're going to have to remember this looks like a function times another function. And another word for times is product. So we need the product rule, which is the first function, call it f of x, times the derivative of the second function. So the second function we'll call g of x. The derivative would be g prime, plus the second function times the derivative of the first. So that's the product rule. So that's what we need to do for this problem. And you don't have to simplify it at all. So let's get started. Y prime. That's taking the derivative. Okay, so the first function, write it down as is, times the derivative of the second function. Okay, 2x to the fifth, that's 10x to the fourth. Okay, plus the second function, which is 2x to the fifth minus 2, times the derivative of the first function. So the first function's derivative is, let's see, derivative of that is negative 6x squared. And that's it. That's what you're allowed to leave as your answer. Okay, so this problem, once again, is when we ask to differentiate, but there's two functions here with a product in between them. So we need the product rule again, okay? So this is the product rule, right? Product rule. Okay, so let's see here. The first function, take the derivative. To take the derivative, I'm going to write down the first function as is, times the derivative of the second function, that's 6x, is the blue function's derivative, okay, plus, write the second function, which is the blue one, times the derivative of the purple one, the first one, which is 12x cubed. That's it. You can leave your answer like that. That's your final answer. Don't need to simplify. Okay, once again, problem 32, find the derivative. When you go to do that, y prime, when you go to do this, you're going to notice, once again, this is the product of two separate polynomials. Blue one and a purple one with a product in between them, right? See the multiplication, product. So this is product rule. Okay, so we have to do the first function as f of x. We'll consider it the purple function. Write it down as is, times the derivative of the second function, which is 20x to the fourth, plus the second function, write it down as is, the blue one, times the derivative of the first, or the purple one, which is 6x squared. That's it. That is the final answer.